So I learned a new trick from Meg's Brapp. Here, watch this. This is way easier than picking the whole bike up. I'm gonna find something to brace this up with. Maybe. Let's see here. Lifting your bike without killing yourself. I bet that was a shitty video right there. Anyhow, you're gonna lift this guy up without killing yourself. Okay. Still recording, I hope. Let me see. Yep, still recording. So I'm going to put him up against the wall. That's my YZ125. But he's bored out now, so he's like a YZ 150, 175. Because he's bored out like 50 or 56 thousandths. So if anybody comes up with the exact CCs, just let me know on that part. It's not running right now. I gotta get its new cylinder head in the mail. I sent it out to RK Tech. They got it fixed. Now I gotta get it back. So then I'll fire him up. Yeah, I'm sure people will be wondering about how am I gonna fire it up or whatever. Okay. Anyhow, I'm gonna do the old Meg's Brapp trick and put them away. Alright, here we go. I gotta set the phone up better. I'm just using my phone right now. So, without shifting it into gear. So, hope they're watching. So I put them away. That's a heck of a lot better than trying to muscle the bike up there. Now I gotta put it away better. I need a new camera person. And there you have it. I put it where I want. Hopefully I got enough room here for my truck. Look at this. Alrighty. I'm going to cut this video short, so being 50 or 56,000 bored over should be like 175, I don't know, 180. People, if you want to comment, go ahead, fine. If not, see you later.